What up, gang? You guys ready for another video today? You guys ready for another video? Got the keys. We out here. About to get the video popping right now, y'all. About to get the video popping, gang. Today's video, about to link up with my boy, MoparMayne. Go subscribe to his channel. Dude, I got some cool video today for you guys. Cool video, guys, today. With that said, I'm gonna hop in this girl. We're gonna get over there to where he at. We're gonna get the going, y'all. Catch you guys when I turn on the camera again, all right? Yo, what up, gang? This is your boy, CHARGER17 3.0. Who we got today on the video? It's MoparMayne right there. We about to do some good fun stuff right here. Ain't got my seatbelt on, but I gotta turn around, so while we getting through the little cut right here, I'm gonna show you guys, if you can see. We're gonna get through the cut over there. That's MoparMayne. Waiting for me to get through it. So I'm gonna turn back on the camera when I'm on the other side. All right, y'all. Hellcat about to come through, y'all. As you see right now. Listen to that girl scream. Woo! Woo woo! Damn, that thing sounds menacing right there, yo. Woo! Oh yeah, wait till you get over here. Wait till you get over here. Same way. Turn. Yep. 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 There you go. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Listen to that super whine. Listen to that super whine. Listen to that. Listen to that girl sing. Woo! Listen to that girl sing, y'all. That's like we broke through jail right there, y'all. We broke through jail just to get through. Look at that. Look at Hellcat. Here he comes. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Look at that.
This is way crazier than it was when I did it my other video by AutoZone, bro.
Oh yeah, I saw that one. I saw that one.
Packed out, bro. Way more.
Yeah, that's what I saw. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Perfect donut, y'all. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, those Blizzaks help a ton, bro.
Oh hell yeah.
They help a ton, bro.
Big time.
Yeah.
Yo, that's fire. You saw that, y'all. Y'all saw that. Here you go, bro. Here Yo, that's fire. You saw that, right? You saw that.
That shit was crazy. Oh my God, look at all that.
Yo, if you would have had your window open, that snow would just been like,
I know,
yo, like how was
all the snow go up above the windshield, bro. That's
yo.
crazy. Yeah, look at all that snow in there, man. Damn.
And there was a 305s on this one with the snow tires, right?
Yep, 305 all the way around. No, actually, I'm sorry, 275.
275 on the all the way?
275 all the way around, yep.
All the way around.
275, 40, yep.
We both got snow tires. He got his all the way around. You saw when I was doing my winter setup there, so.
Yo, you just went crazy.
Yo, look at that. Johnny Cat out here.
Yeah, those tires.
Scatty gold over there.
Those tires help a ton, bro. I'm not gonna
Heck yeah.
lie. I went out last night, and last night was bad out, bro. Bad.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Last night was
It was
bad.
coming down last night.
I was sliding crazy last night, so I'm like, y'all wonder, I'm gonna take a drive real quick and see how it is. But it did just as good.
Yeah, I'm gonna say the way the roads is right now, but it get a little when you're taking off from the light.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
off of the light. Yeah, every light. It was skeptical on every light, bro.
Yo, it's like you got to baby it literally to take it off from the light.
That's the only problem I've been having.
Other than that,
getting it out of the hole.
Yup.
That's the only problem. Once you get it rolling.
That's it. It's like you don't. These cars don't want to stop once they start going. Like, don't stop.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
Yeah, that's the only problem I had last night was getting it out.
Like,
of
look
the
at that,
hole,
y'all. Look at
bro,
that.
because they just want to spin.
That's it. That's it.
Other than that, it's good. It's good. It's good money. Last night was the craziest, and I would say that was the craziest snow we had.
Yup.
Since winter. That was the craziest.
Yeah, this is like actually the most that we actually really have.
Yeah, and I mean, coming from Rochester, New York, we used to a whole lot more snow than this, bro.
For real.
Whole
We've been
lot
waiting
more
for what since?
I've been waiting weeks for snow, bro.
I was like, yo,
people, I can't wait. Look at this. I'm gonna show
yeah,
y'all.
we got his boots on. Look.
I want to show y'all, for example, how deep that is.
That's
Look
pretty
how deep
deep.
that is.
I don't know if you guys can see that real good on the cam, but
it's pretty deep though.
yeah.
It's definitely deep though.
I'm gonna go set up my drone.
Shoot, let me know.
Set it somewhere. I don't know. I'm gonna set it up in an angle so it can catch us
going down
and you know.
Around.
Yup.
Shoot, let me know.
Heck yeah.
Ready. Ooh, yeah,
Alright guys, you're gonna see me set up my drone. Well, you ain't gonna see me on this camera, but the drone gonna be in the air for the video footage. So we're gonna do our thing out here. We're pretty lit up. It's a whole lot of nature. Yo, did I show you how close I am to the snow? This is like a little snow plow for me. Look how close I am before I set up. Look at that. I am pretty much low. The SRTs are low. His is low, but we're definitely low. Definitely low. All right, guys. I'm about to set it up, do my thing. We're gonna get to this. All right. Go guys, 1, 2, 3, go! Johnny Cat just not making it. Johnny Cat just not making it.
Yo, traction won't let me go nowhere, bro. You said you got the traction in what?
It should be in like the normal setting.
Oh, you got it in normal?
Yeah.
Alright, run it one more time. Damn, that was terrible.
I literally was kicking up. I was spinning when I took off.
Yeah, I couldn't do nothing. It was just taking all my power out.
All right, we're still in the same mode that we
Still in eco.
Yup, we're still in equal. So we're about to take off again.
Alright, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go. Yo, we're killing it. Oh yeah. Johnny Cat caught up to Johnny Cat, y'all. No lie, caught up to it. Then we caught up to Juddy Cat on that one. The first one, I got him, and now the second one we caught up.
Alright, it's sport, right?
Sport, yeah, we're gonna go into sport. Oh, we're going dry.
Alright, I'm in sport.
Alright, hold up. Alright, I'm in my sport.
Alright, I'm in sport, yep.
Traction street. Oh wait, I should hold on. I'm going my custom.
Yeah, go full sport.
Traction sport. Alright. Here we go. Now we're in traction sport. Everything's set up. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, I'm in drive. I'm straight. 1, 2, 3, go! Yo, my bad girl spinning left and right, y'all. Look at that. Straight. Look at that.
Hey, yo, my speedometer hit 100 on that one.
Woo! And yo, we wasn't going nowhere, really.
we wasn't even going 10 miles an hour.
Right. Holy shit.
Yeah, my speedometer hit 100 on that one, bro.
All right, the last mode we're going to go in should be track with traction and everything off. This one I'm gonna be a little space from them because we do get a little sideways on us. I don't know what traction might bring me.
So track,
hold on, let me get out of the camera over here. Track, let's go custom, track, yeah, all right.
I'm ready,
Look at the setup, y'all, look at the setup.
So we in track this time now, full track.
Juddy Cat, load up right here, y'all, we ready?
I'm ready, baby, let's go.
Ready, start move straight. 1, 2, 3. We snow
I don't know what happened on that one, but you definitely won that one.
Hell yeah.
Yo, in track for some reason, and traction kept coming on.
Oh damn, with yours?
Yeah, it kept coming on. It kept flashing.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't know what that one was about, but
I got my traction in what's that, sport?
I have mine in track.
Track?
Yep.
You wanna go again?
Nah, it's good.
Alright.
It's good.
So guys,
Damn, that's crazy.
we literally killed it on that one. Roll backwards, roll back. Drum up there watching both of us. We're literally busted on that one. Now we gotta get back out of here. I'm gonna do a little something before we out. Y'all. All right, straighten my wheel up. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, everybody go, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Juddy Cat just now making it. Juddy Cat just now making it.
No, traction won't let me go nowhere. You said you got your traction in what?
It should be in like the normal setting.
Oh, you got it in normal?
Yeah.
Alright, run it one more time. Damn, that was terrible.
I literally was kicking up. I was spinning when I took off.
Yeah, I couldn't do nothing. I couldn't do nothing. It was just taking all my power out.
All right, we still in the same mode that we.
Still in eco.
Yup, we still in equal. So we about to take off again.
Alright, I'm ready.
You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Jellycat caught up to Jellycat, y'all. No lie, caught up to it.
All right, it's sport, right?
Sport? Yeah, we're gonna go into sport. Oh, we're gonna drive.
All right, I'm in sport.
All right, hold up. All right, I'm in my sport.
All right, I'm in sport, yep.
Traction street. Oh wait, I should hold on. Let me go in my custom.
Yeah, go full sport.
Traction sport. All right, there we go. Now we're in traction sport. Everything's set up. You ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm in drive. I'm straight. 1, 2, 3, go. Yo, my bad girl spinning left and right, y'all. Look at that. Straight. Look at it. Look at that.
Hey, yo, my speedometer hit 100 on that one.
Woo! Hey, yo, we wasn't going nowhere, really.
we wasn't even going 10 miles an hour.
Right. Holy shit.
Yeah, my speedometer hit 100 on that one, bro.
All right, the last mode we're going to go in should be track with traction and everything off. This one I'm gonna be a little space from them because we do get a little sideways on us. I don't know what traction might bring me. Hold on, let me get out of the camera over here. Track, just go custom, track, yeah, all right. Look at the setup, y'all, look at the setup.
We in track this time now, full track.
Jellycat, load up right here, y'all, we ready?
I'm ready, baby, let's go.
Ready, turn wheel straight. 1, 2, 3. We snow drift.
What happened on that one, but you definitely won that one.
Hell yeah.
Yo, in track for some reason, and traction kept coming on.
Oh damn, with yours?
Yeah, it kept coming on. I kept flashing.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't know what that one was about, but
I kept my traction in what's that, sport?
I had mine in track.
Track?
Yep.
You wanna go again?
Nah, I'm good.
Alright.
I'm
So guys,
good. Damn, that's crazy.
we literally killed it on that one. Roll back, where's the drum at? Drum up there watching both of us. We're literally busted on that one. Now we gotta get back out of here. I'm gonna do a little something before we out. Y'all. All right. Gotta get my drone out the air. We literally have some snow fun out here, y'all. This is your boy CHARGER17 3.0 with Jellycat over there, MoparMayne. That's his name of his car, Jellycat, and his YouTube channel is MoparMayne. You already know what to do. He's already tearing it up over there, y'all. He's tearing it up. He's tearing it up. Let me go get my drone for that. Let me see. Let me see. I should get out and go over there. All right, guys.